Meaning of generative grammar.
Generative grammar.
Generative grammar.
Generative grammar.
Generative grammar. Generative grammar is a linguistic theory that seeks to explain how humans have the ability to generate an infinite number of meaningful sentences using a finite set of rules. According to this theory, language is not just a set of memorized phrases, but rather a set of underlying structures that can be represented as a formal system of rules. The goal of generative grammar is to provide a set of rules that can generate all and only the grammatical sentences in a language. This theory has been influential in shaping our understanding of language acquisition and use.